Hello students, good morning. Today up to 11.5 we have completed before exam. So today we will do from page number 149. So all of you please open your book, maths book, page number 149, comparing unlike fractions. So how to compare unlike fractions? I hope all of you have remembered what are unlike fractions, right? So what are unlike fractions? Fractions whose denominators are different, whose denominators are not same, those fractions are known as unlike fractions. So as you know how to compare like fractions, because in like fractions denominators are same, and by looking only in the numerator you can easily identify which fraction is greater or which one is smaller. But when it comes to unlike fractions, so we cannot say by looking the fraction only which one is greater or which one is smaller, because in unlike fractions the denominators are not same. We don't know which fraction will be greater or smaller. For that purpose, there are some steps to compare unlike fractions. So, you please, all of you, listen carefully and see how we compare these unlike fractions. For example, I am taking here exercise 11.6 number 1. Here it is given 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. These two fractions are given and you have to compare these two, which one is greater, which one is smaller, or they may be equal also. So the first step to compare these two unlike fractions is you have to find out the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. So given fractions 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. That means here the denominator is 4 and 6. Different. So they are unlike fractions. The first you need to find out the LCM of 4 and 6. So first you find out the LCM of 4 and 6. Well, I hope all of you know how to find the LCM, right? If you forgot, then go through the HCF and LCM chapter once again. Okay. So while you finding the LCM of 4 and 6, by the division method, you will get the LCM of 4 and 6 to be 12. So the first step we have completed. To find the LCM of 4 and 6, the LCM of 4 and 6, we find it out as 12. The next step is you have to make the given two fractions D's and D's as the equivalent fractions. So how will you make these 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 as equivalent fractions? By making their denominator as 12. Okay, you have to make their denominator as 12. Then find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 with denominator 12. Okay. So let's see now. 3 by 4, here it is. 3 by 4 is equal to how to make the denominator 12? Here it is 4. So how to get 12? Since here the denominator is 4 and you have to get the denominator as 12. So 12 is greater than 4. So obviously you need to multiply some number with 4 so that you can get 12. So as you know the multiplication table of 4, that's why 4 3s are 12, as you know. So you have to multiply this 4 into 3 to get the 12. Why? To get 12, because we got the LCM as 12. Okay. So now the one thing I've already told in your class also, that while you doing anything, multiply, divide, anything with the denominator, you must have to do with the numerator also. Okay, so here the same thing we have to do with the numerator also. Here the numerator is 3, so 3 into 3, we got it as 9 by 12. Similarly, the 5 by 6, for the 5 by 6 we have to make Here also the denominator is 12, so here it is 6. So 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, and similarly 5 you have to do with the numerator also, and 5 into 2 is 10. So now this is become 9 by 12 and 10 by 12. So it becomes like fractions. Denominators are same. And now you can easily compare because you know how to compare the like fractions, right? So you see, it is 12, it is 12. Like fractions, it becomes like fractions. That's why only you see the numerator. Here it is 9, here it is 10. So obviously this one will be greater. The next step is now compare the like fractions. So obviously 9 by 12 and 10 by 12 you compare. Easily you can say 10 by 12 is greater. Or 10 by 12 means what? 5 by 6. 10 by 12 is only the equivalent fraction of 5 by 6. So 10 by 12 means 5 by 6. So obviously here 5 by 6 will be greater. So this is the method to compare unlike fractions.